it is a massive show, and you guys are here again with your amazing stuff. You've got this incredible laptop with 3 screens.
Yes.
And I gotta say, when I first heard about it, I was not convinced. I thought, is this the dodo bird of the laptop?
You have to see it in person. You have to see it in person.
It's pretty awesome, actually. The screen is gorgeous.
Well, we call this whole thing Project Valerie.
Yeah.
So this is our concept design. One of the 2 big things we've announced at CES, and this has pretty much blown away a lot of people. What we've done is pretty much have the triple display monitors that gamers are very familiar with, and we've put it all in terms of a super compact form factor of a laptop, and it's going to run, games with a GTX 1080 over here. These are 3 4K screens. It's beautiful.
Do you still see this as like a portable device? I mean, it's pretty big, it's pretty heavy. Do you envision people kind of taking this from point A to point B?
Well, let's put things in perspective, right? This, in essence, is a concept device, and we are really looking at showing off that we can, number one, actually do it, and the mechanical design's all done, the E is all done. But in essence, this triple display monitor Project Valerie is actually thinner than some of the 17-inch gaming laptops out there.
Right.
So with that in mind, we can actually get this pretty thin, depending on the configurations and what we do with it. And of course, if it's like a productivity laptop, we can get this really, really thin. If it's a gaming laptop, this is one of the most powerful PCs on the planet, like compared to all laptops in the world. This or desktops even. This is running a GTX 1080. So, for what it has, it's considered pretty thin, and we can get it thinner.
Okay, so that brings me to my other question. So our video guy took one look at this and was like, wow, this would be awesome for editing. Do you see this as something that might be like breakthrough for you guys in that way?
Well, I think it's already been happening, right? I mean, the Razer Blade Pro, it's got a GTX 1080, it's got a 4K screen, it's got a beautiful, beautiful screen, and it's already being used by a lot of video professionals out there. It's got an SD card slot, it's got lots of ports along the same line, and essentially, creative professionals, game developers, stuff like that are all using our devices at this point of time. It fits, ultra thin chassis. It's got a beautiful unibody aluminum chassis, and what we've got essentially is an insane amount of power at the hands of creative professionals. So we've got a lot of creative professionals who have converted to the Razer Blade Pro, and now with the triple screen setup, it's just perfect, I think, for many of these applications. Now, so fundamentally, if it works for gaming, it actually works for everything else, because if it meets the bar of a gamer, it's good enough for creative professionals, productivity workers, everyone else out there.